Want to have a smooth renovation journey? Visit Home Trust today. Home Trust is Singapore's top interior designer platform that offers advice and feedback on design firms. Home Trust has helped over 20,000 homeowners shortlist their ideal interior designers for their renovation projects. Find thousands of interior design ideas and genuine reviews on interior designers in Singapore with Home Trust today. Simply click on Get Recommendations and complete a few simple questions. Home Trust will matchmake you with 3 to 5 shortlisted designers company. Visit hometrust.sg now. Right, welcome to this 4-room resale unit located in Yishun in the North region. It is about 91 square meter in size. Once you enter into the living area, you'll be seeing a 4-feet fish tank. And directly behind the fish tank, you'll be seeing a dining area with a 1.8 meter long dining table placing at this area. So the altar and the wall will be demolished to extend the area for the dining. Next, in the living area, there will be a L-shaped sofa placed at this location. Then there will be a featured TV wall with the TV hang on the wall. And coming into the kitchen, so as shared, this will be part of the new dining area, which will be used for dining purposes instead of the kitchen. And then there will be a sliding glass door installed in this area to split the kitchen from the dining area. So during this renovation, we will also be removing all the kitchen top, the tiles for the kitchen, and replace with a more minimalist design kitchen layout. For the common bathroom, because it just went through the HIP recently, so we won't be renovating the common toilet. And next, we will be seeing the master bedroom. And in this area, we will be opening up a new doorway entrance and seal up the existing entrance. So we will be building a wall-to-wall wardrobe to increase the storage. Right next to the wardrobe, there will be a tatami built in this area, which can accommodate 2 to 3 persons comfortably. Next to the master bathroom, we will be removing all the tiles in the master bathroom and to style up with a grey spa theme master bath. Finally, as working adults, we will need a place to do our work. So we are utilizing the storeroom. We will be hacking down all the walls here and open up the area. And this wall will be further pushed in to increase the space for the new study area. thanks for watching the first episode of my house renovation journey. So do like and follow us, and we will be sharing more of our renovation journey in the upcoming videos. So do stay tuned, and we will see you again. Bye.